What's up? About to make something for the summertime, something light, something fresh, super flavor packed. One of my favorite things to eat, chicken lettuce wrap. I have some shiitake mushrooms here. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of these toasted cashews, chop those up. I'm gonna put them in a nice cold iceberg lettuce and make a little salad to go on top of that. So it's gonna be a little different than your average chicken lettuce wrap. So I'm gonna get my chicken out. I have one breast and two thighs. I cut the breast into three. Just gonna get all this on the board and get it a chop. And the reason I'm chopping it while it's raw is because I don't want it to be, I want it to be really, really thin bite sizes. And then I'm gonna give this a big chop here. You can also grind this if you have a meat grinder. Great recipe if you're just having people over last minute. So now I'm gonna cut up my thighs. And I want like a 50-50 dark meat, white meat situation going on here. Same thing with this, just give it a chop. All right. Okay. I feel like I'm doing a hibachi. I really am gonna season this on the board with just a little soy. Get that ready. Gonna get my wok really hot. All right, so I'm gonna chop up my garlic. The cool thing about chicken lettuce wraps is you can throw everything in there that you like about different types of cuisine. I have some of these green onions. And we're gonna cook the white and then garnish with the green. Let me chop some of these. And again, you don't want them too small, but you want it to be able to fit in a little lettuce cup with everything. So, all right, my pot is hot. I'm gonna get some sesame oil in there. Ooh, that's what you want. High heat, it's that Forno oven heat. I'll give these a rough chop as well. My shiitake mushrooms. Get you a really big cutting board too, because that's invaluable to have. Have everything cut. Get my chicken from the back that's been marinating with that soy. Going in. And immediately get your garlic and your green onion in. And then I'm gonna grate my ginger in there. You know how recipes call for 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger? Nah, I'm more of like a teaspoon of ginger type of guy. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna start on my salad. Got a cucumber here. Just go really small on these. Oh, y'all, this chicken is smelling incredible. Oh my God. Maybe. I'm gonna get my washed butter lettuce. Really, really small, thin. All right, and then my avocado. Again, small dice on everything. Super easy recipe, like 1, 2, 3, like. And then I'm gonna go some sesame oil, a little liquid amino, and some apple cider. Stir that up. This is my garlic chili paste. If you don't like spice, you can leave this out, but you'll be missing out. Just letting out chicken brown, cashews in, and my shiitake mushrooms. And now I'm gonna start prepping out my lettuce wraps. Got all my lettuce cups here. I'm gonna just pick the prettiest ones. All right, that looks cool, right? Put this in the middle. And now we're gonna fill all these cups with our chicken. Get nice and brown. Get all that brown from around the pot. And we're gonna go like this. The crunch from the cashews. the bite from the shiitake mushrooms. Top that with some of this salad. That avocado, cucumber, and then some duck sauce. And yo, you bring this tray out at the party, it's over. And that is those chicken lettuce wraps. Let's go. All right, so these are my chicken lettuce wraps. Chicken lettuce cups, chicken lettuce wraps. They're super flavor packed. They have a little bit of salad on top of them for that crunch. There's some cashews in here. It's going down. Let me taste this. Okay. You know what this needs? A sake bomb, a beer, something to wash it down with. Love the spice. Let me get into some of this duck sauce on here too. You know I'm all about the sauce. That's A1. That, serve that at your summer parties. Fresh, quick and easy recipe. And it's really, really delicious. Fire. All right.